Now I'm gonna slice my avocados. Just gonna run my knife around it. And give it a quick turn. That's beautiful. Just gonna remove the seed. Give it a quick shake. Okay, use a cloth and pull the knife out gently. That way you won't injure yourself. Trust me, I've learned from my experience. What we're gonna do to get the beautiful avocado is just peel it with our hands. That's what I normally do. Some people like to scoop it out, but that way you might not get the entire avocado. You might have like little pieces stuck on the skin. And if your avocados are ripe enough, it should be very, very easy to do it. Now, if you're only using half of an avocado, this is a really good trick. What you should do with the other half is just sort of brush a little bit of olive oil on top, the surface, and inside where the seed is. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and wrap it with cling wrap and keep it in your fridge, and you can use it in the next 3 days.